Curious about technology's impact on the planet? Let's talk about drones and the environment. Drones are a significant source of noise pollution. Research shows drone noise is more annoying than road traffic or aircraft noise. Imagine the constant buzz disrupting your peaceful day. In the USA, 1.32 million drones were registered for leisure and 0.385 million for professional use in 2019. By 2024, those numbers are expected to jump significantly. The European Union measures this impact through the environmental footprint aviation methodology. This looks at emissions, noise, and other factors across a drone's life cycle. The market is projected to hit nearly $5 billion by 2029. Next time you see a drone overhead, they're changing the soundscape and environmental footprint of our world. Thanks for watching.